Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to download and install Life360 app on iPhone. Life360 is a popular family safety and location sharing app that allows users to stay connected with family members and close friends. It offers features such as real-time location tracking, location alerts, and emergency assistance, making it a useful app for everyday safety and coordination. So let's get started. First, you need to unlock your phone and make sure you are connected to a stable internet connection, either Wi-Fi or mobile data. And after that, open to your app store. Now on the bottom there's a search bar. Type down Life360 and search for it, and from the search result you need to find the Life360 Find Family and Friends. Over here what you have to do is select Get button next to the app, and you need to double click to install it, and it verifies using a Face ID, Touch ID, or enter your Apple ID password, and the app will now begin downloading. And once the download is complete, Life360 will automatically install on your iPhone, and you will see the Life360 app icon appear on your home screen. Thank you for watching this video. I hope I could help you on how you can download and install Life360. If you have any trouble or confusion, please comment down below and we will reach out to you very soon.